no time to sit and talk about no one sin, unless it's with the one I'm going to be helping. If you can't speak positive, then close. Alright guys, so I'm actually going to start by doing my brows. I already have everything, my moisturizers and everything on. So I'm starting by doing my brows how I normally do them. I am actually using my brown eyeliner pencil from Airman or Airwoman, whichever way, it's the same company. Then I'm going in with my black, and as usual I always do the ombre brow. Most times I do the ombre brow because I cut off the ends of my brows, so I find that it makes my brows look a little bit more blended together. Not natural, but it's hard to detect where my brows start and stop when I do this method. So I'm cleaning up my brows with my Sasha Cosmetics matte caramel, I don't know, it's a concealer. Then I'm going in with my Sasha Cosmetics primer. It's their mattifying primer. It's the only one that they have, and I'm just applying it. Now the moisturizer I used was actually my tea infused facial serum. It's really good. It just leaves my skin like hella moisturized, and I love it. So this is my foundation from Sasha as well, and this is in the color Perfect Bronze. I was Perfect Spice, but I have gotten darker, so I find that Perfect Bronze works really nice for me. I am also highlighting my face with my LA Pro Conceal. Yeah, LA Pro Conceal in Fawn. And then I'll be blending out using my Fenty Beauty beauty sponge. You can be using whatever you want to. Let me tell you, when I do my makeup on YouTube, I'm doing it to my preference. But as you know, our YouTube tutorials, they're a guide for you guys, and sometimes you guys love so much what we do, you do exactly what we're doing, and that's fine. But if you want to tweak how you do your makeup, that's completely fine as well. So now I'm going just using the same brush I used to apply my foundation, and then blending out the edges of where the foundation and highlight meet. I'm blending it out so it's a bit more seamless, so it looks a little bit more ombre. So I'm setting my highlighted areas with Sasha Cosmetics oh gosh, what's it called? April. No, not April. Oh my gosh. Buttercup powder. April. Zamar, I didn't have it so far. So come, okay? It's not April, but I still come. So I'm using my Sasha Cosmetics again. By the way, everything I'm using is Sasha Cosmetics. If I don't say Sasha Cosmetics, then it's a different company. But Sasha Cosmetics pressed powder in Perfect Spice, and this is going all everywhere else where I did not put Buttercup. So now I'm going in with this pressed powder from Sasha, and I'm using this as my brow bone highlight. But what I've been doing recently is when I put it on my brow bone to set my brow bone area, I also go around my entire eyes. So wherever I said that the highlighted area, I go all over it. And recently I've been bringing the color down on my eyelids, so I'm putting the powder all over my eyes, because when I apply my foundation, I apply it all over my eyes. So it's like I'm setting everywhere that's foundationalized. Then I'm using my Watch Me blush palette from the Crayon Case. You guys, I feel like I need shares in the Crayon Case. Hey, Super Sen, is you watching this, mama? I'm gonna need like some stocks and stuff, and some bonds and stuff in Crayon Case, honey. Because Jonathan, please stop doing a voiceover. That's so come. I'm using Crayon Case like crazy. It's really colorful, and I've given away most of my palettes, as I told you guys before, so I just use what I have, you know. Woo, guys, I am going with this yellow. I don't know what it is, but this yellow has been my brow bone color for weeks, months, years, centuries, millennia. Yeah, so it works. I'm going in with this. Oh, and this palette is the Crayon Case. Oh gosh, I forgot the name. Forgot the name of the palette, but this is the only palette from Crayon Case though. Zamar, can you please stop? I'm doing a voiceover. You have to wait and close the door. Mosquitoes are coming inside. So I'm taking the Watch Me blush palette again, and I'm taking that deep, the only brown in the palette, and I'm just putting that in my crease to give me even more depth. So I'm taking the black from the palette box of crayons. Yeah, I'm taking the black from the box of crayons palette, and I'm actually just going to go in with out in my crease again, just to deepen it, because I'll be doing the half cut crease for you guys. Yeah, I feel like everything I'm doing is self-explanatory, but I don't want to chop up the video and make it like too short for you guys, so I'm trying to give you length as well as quality. That's what he said. Okay, anyway. moving on. So then I'm adding the pink. I don't know why I chose to add the pink. I'm weird when it comes on to color, but I was like, hey, pink, let's add it in. Why not? Then I'm going back in with the black, because by adding the pink I actually lost some of the black, so I'm going back in with the black. So I'm taking my MAC Pro Longwear Primer in NW35, and this is what I'll be using to create my cut crease. So I'm going in with the gold from the palette, and I'm actually using it just like on the inner portion of my eyes. Excuse me. And then I'm actually going to be using this bronzy color, or this bronzy, like this orange color, right beside the gold, just so that it flows, you know, a little bit better, because I realized I had orange and gold, they really flow together. I'm also taking this matte plummy color, and I'm layering it right on top of the black. See that? I just decided to, and it worked. So on my my waterline, I'm applying my LA Pro primer in black, and then I'm actually going to be blending that out with my little brush, and I'm actually applying the pink. I don't know why I chose to apply the pink. I just did, and I love how it came out. I just want to use this palette only. I just use up all the colors in the palette. Then I'm going to go in, as I say, I'm looking at my eyes trying to make a decision. So I'm actually going to apply the red, and I really like how it came out. Now I'm going to actually set my LA Pro primer with the black eyeshadow from the palette, and I'm just going to tap it onto where the black is. I find myself setting my black Pro primer, not because I'm afraid that it will move, but it actually comes up way more vibrant. I know, and it's black. But this is actually the finished look, you guys. For my lips, I am going to be wearing Fenty Beauty Stunner lip paint for my lips. Oh, and for my happy hair a while ago, you see the same LA Pro primer I used to cut my crease? That's what I put there. Then I applied that green over it. But this is the entire look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. The hair again is by Klaiyi Hair. Thank you so much for sending me this hair to review. I actually have a review up on my channel of the hair right now. I should have guys told me this wig, how many bundles I use, how I colored the hair, because it's colored. I mean, like, I went in, honey. Thank you guys for watching this video. I love you guys. Thanks for the support. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye, guys.